replace the eye protection visor of the HEROS Titan, disassemble the inner lining first. For details of disassembling the inner lining, watch the video. After disassembling the inner lining, you must also remove the helmet band. To do so, open the main screws by using an Allen key. Now take off the chin strap. Therefore, loosen the Velcro fastener in the rear part of the helmet band. Afterwards, you can remove the entire helmet band with slight lateral pressure. Now loosen the screws on the eye protection visor. Make sure not to loosen the square head nuts. The eye protection visor is now disassembled and you can replace it with a new one. Now retighten the two main screws on the eye protection visor. Make sure that the installation position of the eye protection visor is correct. Afterwards, the entire helmet band can be reinstalled. To do so, reinsert the helmet band together with the eye protection visor and make sure that the helmet band is fixed to its previously set position A, B or C again. After that, retighten the two main fittings. Now fasten the chin strap to the helmet again. Then you can reinstall the inner lining. The eye protection visor is now properly installed again, and you can make a functional test.